Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Running through the crew type shit. Got a bad
bro, what
bitch
the
at home,
fuck?
voodoo type shit. Take down Megan Stallions by the crew type shit.
Are you trying to get back on the highway?
Oh shit. Thank God for that horn, dude.
Live in Syria. Fox's Jackie Heinrich has this from the White House.
The U.S. is not spelling out consequences if Iran follows through with an expected strike in Israel. Although President Biden shared support for
Stop sign.
publicly, officials won't describe any direct communications with Iran.
I see.
Oh, what are you? Oh, really?
And another one. And another one.
Well, he can do it.
Where we're going, we don't need roads.
That's right.
And a third one. And a fourth one. And a fifth one. And a sixth one. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Forget that. A seventh one. And another one behind me. 8.
Let's not make us 9.
No, I'm not. Oh, man.
Why not this time, but just my... That car's going really fast. Slow down.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Dude! Oh my god. Est-ce que moi j'écoute tes enfants?
What the f... C'est quoi ton hostie de problème? Hostie de jeune.
Daniel Boulevard using the left lane.
Idiot!
Significant changes to your pay, job duties, hours of work, even a temporary layoff. Fact number 2. If you don't contest the change in writing, you will be seen to have it.
What is wrong with you?
What the f*** are you doing?
They are.
Alright, that's, yeah.
Because that's how people are really going to use it.
Well, they use one color or 2 colors, or they're not using all.
Hang on, somebody just hit me.
the f? The guy just ran a red light.
God damn. Record.
What are you fucking doing?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.